How to create a GIF from pictures. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create random GIFs from your pictures. So let us get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Any web browser is fine, and simply search for make a GIF. You can simply go to makeagif.com too, and after you do that, you'll get to this website right here. Now here you will see a lot of options. You can even search for GIFs here. Here you can go to pictures to GIF. If you want to make videos to a GIF, you can go to video to GIF. After you tap on pictures to GIF, you will see upload images. Tap on upload images, you can simply drag and drop them too. Select a bunch of pictures. I'm just selecting a bunch of random pictures and simply drag and drop them here. After you do that, you're basically good to go. Simply tap on continue to editing and you will see the GIF being created. Now you can manage the GIF's speed here, how slow you want it, how fast you want it, and you can even make a GIF watermark. Now to remove this watermark, you will need to buy premium. So yeah, if you want to, you can do that. Tap on continue publishing and you can type in whatever you want for its title. So I'm gonna type in chill guy. For this category, you can do whatever you want. I'm just adding funny GIF and tap on create your GIF. So it is taking time to upload. After it uploads, you can simply download it too. And after you download it, you can use it someplace else. So it's that simple, guys. That is basically how you create a GIF. Now, as you can see right here, it's been created. Now simply tap on the download option to download it. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.